one symphony I attended with my husband this life in our extra special way. But I actually named him Mark because I just had to see him. And it was like in a red and blue theater. It was by the election. It was really annoying that it had to be tied to that, but whatever. However, we got there. Right. Meet you in the middle. This is like, remember we labeled this aptly cockpit, COCKPIT. Yeah, we were hoping never to have to get here, considering I have TIME, you have TIME, and together it makes TYME. So why is my account and your account not face to face? I'm just curious. Not through glass. The glass can shatter. Shutterbug. SHUTTERBUG.